Okay, today we're going to be looking at adding mixed measures. So a mixed measurement is a measurement that includes two different kind of units, but within the same category. So here are two examples. Ian is 5 feet 11 inches tall. So we have his height, but it's written both in feet and inches. So we would actually have to add those two together. 5 feet and 11 inches is his height. Here's another example. The soccer game was 1 hour, 24 minutes long. So two different units, hours and minutes. They're within the same category, of course. You wouldn't mix them. You wouldn't say the soccer game was 1 hour and 11 inches long or something like that. But these are two units within the same category. So now let's look at a few examples of how we would add mixed measures together. Okay, so we have two examples here. We're adding yards, feet, and inches, and then the second one, we're adding some time together. So we can actually line these up just like a vertical addition problem. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got 2 yards, 2 feet, 11 inches. And just like a normal addition with just digits, we want to line up kind of the place value, so to speak. So we're going to line up the yards with the yards, the feet with the feet, and the inches with the inches. And put our little plus symbol in our line. Okay, and so we're going to start by adding these. We'll get 16 inches here, 4 feet here, and 5 yards. And just like in addition, we can regroup. So we wouldn't want to finish with this answer because 16 inches, actually, we could trade 12 of those inches for an extra foot, right? So if we trade 12 of the inches, we would have 4 inches left, right? And then we'd end up with 5 feet over here. Now, 5 feet, we can actually exchange 3 feet for a yard. So let's cross this one out again. Let's take 3 of those feet away. Leaves us with 2 feet. And actually, I'll go ahead and write that down here. 2 feet. That gives us an extra yard, right? We exchange 3 feet for a yard. And our answer is actually 6 yards, 2 feet, and 4 inches. So that would be our final answer. There's nothing else left that we can regroup. And we'll do the same thing for hours, minutes, and seconds. So let's write this out. 2 hours, 55 minutes, 25 seconds. And then we'll put our plus symbol. 3 hours. We're going to line up all the like terms here. 25 minutes, 40 seconds. So let's first add these together. We've got 65 seconds. We've got 80 minutes and 5 hours. So just like in the previous example, we can exchange seconds for minutes. So we can exchange 60 seconds for an extra minute, right? So we'll change this to 81. This becomes 5 because we took 60 of our seconds and exchanged them for a minute. So now we have 5 hours, 81 minutes, 5 seconds. We can actually take 60 of our minutes away and exchange them for an extra hour. So now we've got 6 hours, 21 minutes, and 5 seconds. So that would be our final answer. Adding these two times together, we get 6 hours, 21 minutes, and 5 seconds. So to recap, the two keys are line up your problems vertically and make sure your units are lined up with like units. The second thing is to regroup. If you have enough of one unit to trade for the larger unit, go ahead and do that and get down to where it's a simplified answer. All right, and that's all we have for today.